No, that is what I say. It is a very sensitive issue. Sunburn at Old Goa is like Tomorrowland at Vatican. Cannot happen. So you cannot go and say that Varanasi I will do full moon party. It can't happen like that. So these are religious places. One has to understand that Old Goa has got a huge religious significance, not only in the state, but internationally. The exposition of the St. Francis Xavier's relics are being planned there. So I don't think Sunburn can even be thought of there. The Sunburn is nothing to do with the remains of St. Francis Xavier. It has got no religious significance whatsoever. What is the spiritual thing there? It is only the spirit that you are in. Other than that, there is nothing that I can see Sunburn to be associated with Old Goa. So Old Goaचेर उलोवचे पयलीं लोकांनी चिंतून उलोवंक जाय. तो आमदार जंचो आसत पूण Old Goa म्हणप म्हणटा चूक आसता कित्याक he is hurting the sentiments of a lot of people, not only in Goa but even outside.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.